everyone, and I hope you are doing well. And since the examination already around the corners, so I thought let me contribute from my side as well because now this is the second attempt, and second attempt seems to be very important. So I have taken the initiative. This is, we can say, the eighth chapter summary. The eighth chapter summary that is called as mechanics. Fine. So once you are talking about mechanics, so basically mechanics include kinematics part. In kinematics, 1D, 2D, relative motion, and constant motion. So if you are good in these four areas, and basically if we sum up, the basically we are talking about velocity and acceleration. Clear? So velocity and acceleration relation, once that these two basic physical quantity is clear to you, and afterward you can solve a lot of problems very easily. That is kinematic part. So wait, next part is called dynamics part. And dynamics part, it will cover the NLM without friction and friction, and the work power energy, and the circular motion. So here we are keeping the body single body, or we can say point body, maybe plus you can also get extended body. Extended body means where the mass got distributed. Like you have seen block. So once you are dealing with block, so there is a mass that is supposed to be point body. But once you have a chain, let's say chain, so that is an example of extended body. Clear? That is an example of extended body. So always remember the two type of body you will going to see in this given chapter. Clear? Now the next part is, we can say the basic kinematics and dynamics, that is called system of particle, SOP, system of particle and rigid body dynamics. System of particle and rigid body dynamics, basically the kinematics and dynamics part we will see for a multi-particle system. Here the only single particle, but here the multi-particle and rigid body. Clear? And we can say here we will see the basic equation of net F is equal to ma, F net is equal to ma. This is very important equation. And you know, for the sake of acceleration, once you are very good in calculation of acceleration, means you can calculate force very easily. Clear? Now once acceleration you have calculated and force, so next connected term is work. Work is a multiplication of force multiplied by displacement. And look, acceleration number one, force number two, in connected term is work number three. And once you have calculated work, so basically work done is equal to net change in kinetic energy, and work done is equal to negative of potential energy change, or we can say delta K, that is equal to minus delta U, or delta K plus delta U equal to 0 for conservative forces. So I thought only these four equation. This is equation number 4. So one, acceleration, force, work, and work energy theorem. Work energy theorem we supposed to apply where you have to calculate velocity basically. Clear? So keep in mind. So these all are for the sake of linear motion. And once the same way, if it will be angular motion is there. So for angular motion, like here F is equal to ma. So angular motion F will change to torque is equal to I into alpha. M will change into I and A change into alpha. So somewhat Newton's law, it will change to angular form, that is tau F. Repeat, F will change to tau, M will change to I, A will change to alpha. Force, mass, acceleration, torque, moment of inertia, and angular acceleration. So once you are very good in solving F is equal to ma question, only F is equal to ma for linear motion, and this is for angular motion. Clear? Now energy conservation. Next important is energy conservation, and of course last is linear and angular conservation of energy. So and the last part is combined application. So if you are very good in solving these parts and these sections, means you can say you have covering your 37% of physics. Fine. And let me say 37, that is whole, and there is a projection of this chapter in whole physics. So we can say let's add 10 more percent, nearly 47%, or I would say in round figure 50% physics you can solve with the help of mechanics. So kindly focus on these areas. I'm going to give you all the shortcut and short tricks to solve all those part, but there should be some flow actually. You're trying to get this flow properly to get your physics up to 50% improved or 50% added in your skills, so you can equally apply and get good marks. So next video we will see the more details of this. Till then, take care and have a nice time.